Right. So welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, everybody. Right. So here we are going to learn about MongoDB. So MongoDB is our course. So yesterday we have started this batch. So since these are the introduction classes, I am going to take you 1 hour. Okay, everybody. Right. So okay, next week onwards we are going to plan extend our class also. Okay. Right. Since this is the introduction classes, I'm going to take only 1 hour. Right. So first of all, in order to learn any technology, okay. So directly we cannot write the coding. Directly we cannot write the coding. What we need to do? We need to know the introduction. What is the technology? What we can do? What is the limitation? What it can do? What it cannot do? Everything we need to know about that. Then only we need to start our knowledge, our learning process. Okay, but so knowing the introduction part is first step of the learning process. Okay, right. So what is this MongoDB? So MongoDB is a NoSQL. NoSQL means non-SQL or non-relational database. Okay, non-relational database. Okay, everybody, MongoDB is a NoSQL or non-relational database. Okay, so generally we have relational databases. What is that? Oracle, MySQL, PLSQL, PostgreSQL, okay, SQL Server. These are all okay relational databases. But this is not like that database. This is a NoSQL database. Okay, everybody, right? So if you want to know about non-relational or relational, whatever it may be, first of all, we need to know what is a database. Okay, everybody, what is a database? So database is nothing but a container which contains our entire application related data. So if you want to store your data, we don't keep directly the static pages. Okay, everybody, right? Directly the web pages we don't keep, or else any other application also. We'll store our data in the database. So we will store all our data in a database. So that is the base of the data. Okay, we'll store all our data in that particular place only. Okay, that contains that everything. Then, okay, everybody, this is the meaning of the database. Okay, yes. Then after, how to store and maintain data in the database. Okay, so just now I told we need to store our data in the database. So if you want to store like that, first of all we need to know how to store the data in that database. We need to store our data in tabular format, in tables, in tabular format, in relational databases. Okay, but coming to NoSQL, we need to store our data in the collections in the form of documents. Okay, in the form of documents, in the form of documents format in NoSQL databases. In relational databases, we need to store in the tables format. Okay, everybody, in the NoSQL databases, we need to store in the collections format. So here collections also, tables also equivalent. Relational databases we need to call as tables. In a MongoDB or NoSQL database, we need to call it as collections. The records which are available, we need to call it as documents. For example, wait 1 second, I will show you. So in the relational database, we will store like this. So first name, serial number, first name, last name, and phone number. Okay, right. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4. Ramesh, Babu, phone 888 Giri, Kumar, 78 7878. Ranjit, Gokhale, 9696969696. Pooja, uh, Singh, 1212121212. Right. Now see here everybody, what is this? This is the table format data. So in the relational databases, we need to store our data in the tabular format. Okay. This particular thing can be called as a table. What is that everybody? Table. For example, table. Its name is users. Users table. Okay. How we are storing our data in the tabular format. So whenever you are storing the table in the tabular format, there will be two things. One is the column names or field names. What is, sorry. One is the field names. SNO, first name, last name, phone number, they are the field names. And each and every field should have a particular schema. Okay, everybody. Each and every field should have particular properties. What is that? This should be serial number, should be primary key and auto increment. So whenever whenever the record is added, automatically the number should increment by 1. For example, now I have 4. Somebody has enrolled. For example, Rajesh has registered in my application. Okay, somebody, Rajesh is there. So he has registered in my application, Rajesh. Then what happens? Automatically to that Rajesh, fifth number should come. Clear or not? So that should be auto increment. And not only that, it should be used for primary key. Primary key means what? We need to recognize this particular user independently. Sir, why we need to recognize the users independently? Ramesh, Giri, Ranjit, Pooja, they are also have different names, right? Yes, but these are not permanent. These are not only the records. Okay, in future, maybe some other Ramesh will come, some other Giri will come, some other Ranjit will come, some other Pooja will come. Then what happens? If you are updating the data, depends upon this first name. What happens? Depends upon this first name. What happens? Okay, all the names with Ramesh will be updated. So that is not suggestible. That is not suggestible. So if you want to do anything, we need to do it with primary key only. We need to do it with primary key only, so that updations will be very easy. Not only that, retrieving the data also will be very easy. If you want particular data only, for example, select to start from users where serial number is 1, where user ID is 1, like that. So these are what fields, and what they are containing records. These are all the records. Ramesh, first record, Ramesh Babu, phone number triplet. Second record, okay, Giri Kumar, like this. Understand everybody? This is how we are storing our data. This is the tabular format data. Okay, very good, sir. What is the collection format data? I will show you an example. See everyone, assume these employees are the collection, and this is the data we have stored. We need to store. We need to store in the form of objects. Which object? JavaScript objects. Okay, everybody, JavaScript object notation, JSON format. JSON means what? JSO.on. JSON means what? JSON means what? JSON. JS means JavaScript. O stands for object. N stands for notation. Notation means a sequence of data, a flow of data. So we whatever the data we have, we need to store in all the data in a sequence in the objects format. That is called JavaScript object notation. Sir, how to store our data in the objects? Very simple. Okay, as a pair of key and value. As a pair of key and value. Clear it, everybody? As a pair of key and value. So this is the key and this is the value. That's it. Okay. Yes. For example, I will show you one more example. Wait a second. MongoDB Atlas login. See here, everybody, our collection name. Collection is equivalent to table. That is the point I told, right? There is a collection name is foods. And see how we are storing. Observe here, how are we storing here? Name, price, tax, these are all comes, but underscore will generate automatically. So from the front end, we'll enter this data only, name, price, tax, these things only. Okay, right, underscore ID will come automatically, which is an object ID, that is an alphanumeric number. By using this underscore ID, we can recognize this entire data. This entire data. In the same way, this users also. See here, we have 4 users. Name, email, password, address is admin created, updated it. Underscore ID is will generate automatically. Whenever he has registered, automatically this underscore ID will generate. This will work like a primary key also. This will work like a primary key. This is a non-SQL database. No SQL database format, especially MongoDB. Okay, everybody, this is the no SQL format, especially MongoDB. Clear it, everybody? What is the this one and what is the non-SQL DB databases? Respond, everyone. How we are storing in different formats? I'm asking you only. Kindly respond.
I'm not sure about the collection in documents. Can you please repeat it?
In the collections, we'll store our data in the objects format. Okay, Srikant? In the objects
Okay.
format. Here, tabular format. Here in the
Yes.
objects format. Objects means this is how we need to write. Okay, of
Okay.
course, it is not showing here, curly braces, but objects means this is how we need to write, and you can observe the structure. So here in the objects, how we need to store is as a in the form of field key and value. So first name
Okay.
is the key, Kenneth is the value. Last name is the key, McLaurin, home is the value like that. So
Yes, I
here
got
also
it.
if you observe name, email, this thing, and whenever you are creating table format table, this as ID will define, and you will specify the characteristics. What is that? Auto increment primary key like that. Okay, so we need to assign it manually, but here underscore ID. Okay, every table has underscore ID by default, and that is works as a primary key, and that will come automatically. No need to enter manually. That will enter automatic. That will generate automatically. Okay, understand it.
Yes.
Srikanth.
So if there is some relation needs to be created between the tables, we do it in SQL, right? So here, how are we going to do it?
Sorry, you're asking something. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
In tables, we create relationships, right? So like that, how are we going to do it here?
Relationships means what? In your case, means you are asking about joins.
Yes, joins
Yeah,
between the tables, right? So
yeah,
how are
yeah.
we going
So here,
to do it?
yeah, here also there will be lookups will be there. Here we are able to do that. Okay. If you want to data between two different collections, then we can go. You can use lookup concept. Then we can do it. Okay, Sridhar. Sorry, Srikanth.
Okay.
Hello. Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Tell me.
No, and this MongoDB, it's cloud-based one right now.
See, MongoDB is a database.
Okay.
MongoDB Atlas, which is okay, providing cloud database. That's it. So if you have any database, you can upload the database freely in this MongoDB Atlas. They will give up to 512 MB data. That's it. Okay. So MongoDB, okay, has, yeah, it's one. It is a database, of course. Okay, right. So cloud also normally also it is a database only. Understand, speaker.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Others, are you clear? Respond everybody.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, right. So Pradeep Kumar, yesterday also you have attended.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is this. So what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? We are storing our data in the table format or collections format, right? So what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? So first thing is data will be permanent. What is it, everybody? Data will be permanent. Second thing is we can organize and maintain our data. What is it, everyone? We can organize and maintain our data so that we can access or use our data faster. First thing is what data will be permanent. Second thing is we can organize and maintain our data. Okay, so that we can access or use accessing means using our data. Okay, very faster. For example, we are all having homes. Okay, whenever you are having homes, what we'll do, we'll keep different things in the different places. For example, there is a gas stove will be there is a double cut bed will be there. So where we will keep the double cut bed, in the kitchen or else in the bedroom. Okay, in the bedroom. Where we will keep the salt, in the bedroom or else in the kitchen or else in the dining table. Okay, everybody, right? Understanding or not? For example, we have soaps and shampoos also. Where we will keep them, in our bedroom or else in the kitchen? No, in the washroom. Okay, everybody, everything belongs to you only, but we are keeping in different places. In the same way, okay, everybody. So whenever you want to store your data in the database, we need to organize and manage that. Sir, what is this organizing and managing? Simply, just now I told tables. So if you want to store your data in the database in a singular table, can you store? Yes, but we cannot maintain that data properly. Why? Because whenever you are developing an application, there will be users data, there will be products data, there will be product details data. Okay, then after orders data, order details data, then after categories, subcategories, so many types of data will be there. So many types of data will be there. In that case, if you are keeping each and every record in a single table, what happens? It will be very messy. We cannot retrieve the data very faster also. For example, if you are keeping gas stove, salt, sugar, dal, okay, double cot bed, okay, cot, pillows, blankets, and your clothes, and soaps and shampoos, okay, and plates, each and everything you are keeping in a single room, then what happens? Is it called organizing? No, it will be very messy. If you want to find any particular thing, if you want to find any particular object, it is very difficult to find it. Okay, we need to search entire room. Okay, everybody. Rather than that, if you organize and manage, what happens? For example, if you want to find the salt, Only in the kitchen you will set, or else maybe in the dining table. No need to search in the washroom, no need to search in the bedroom, or else no need to search in the balcony. Okay, or else no need to search in the child bedroom, something like that. Only will search in the kitchen or else in the dining table. Why? Because already we have organized that. So that's why whenever you want to find the salt, directly we are going to the kitchen so that we can find the salt faster. Understanding or not? In the same way, whenever you want to get the data faster, if you are storing entire data in a single table, okay, that is not suitable. So we need to keep products data in the products table, users data in the users table, categories data in the categories table. Then what happens if you want to display any data from particular thing, then only we'll send that query only. For example, if you are getting data related to all the users, so simply we'll write a select star from users. Select star from users. Understanding it, everybody? Select star from users. Then what happens? We'll get all the data from that users table. We will get all the data from that users table. Clear or not? Okay. That means we are sending request only particular table. So we are also getting data very faster. Rather than that, if you keep everything, products, users, and everything, what happens? It is not possible to retrieve only one particular data. Okay, or else all the users' data also. It is very, very messy. Understanding? Respond, everybody.
Yes, we are good.
Then after, third thing is we can modify data in multiple places. In multiple places, I forgot to write this. At once, this behavior can be called as dynamic behavior. For example, if you are developing an application, in that application there is 100 pages, A1 to A1, A2, A3, A4, like that 100 pages. And A1 page has 10 paragraphs, A2 has 14 paragraphs, A3 has 16 paragraphs, like that different pages has different paragraphs, up to 100. Okay, right. Then after, what there is a common thing is there. What is that? Of course, we have different paragraphs, and we have different pages. A100 pages we have, A1 to A100 we have, but in all 100 pages, first three paragraphs are common. Remaining paragraphs only different. Okay, everybody. First three paragraphs are common. Remaining paragraphs only different. Then what other thing we need to do? We need to maintain two tables. We need to maintain two tables, not a single table. Okay. One table is for common data. Table for common data. Another table is for pages. Another table is for pages. In the common data table, we will keep only page description. But in the pages table, what we will write? Page ID 1, page name A1, page description, remaining paragraph. Except first three paragraphs, remaining paragraphs are there, right? Remaining 7. All those 7 I will keep. In the same way, page ID 2, page name A2, page description. What are the paragraphs are remaining? All the paragraphs I will keep. So like that, I need to maintain all the 100 pages also. Okay, everybody. Right. Okay, this is completed. Then in the front end, what is the thing I will do? Okay. So what is the query I will write? Select star from common data. I need to write two queries. Select star from common data table. What is that, everybody? Select star from common data table. First I will write that query. Why? Because three paragraphs are common. I kept in the common data table. I keep there. So I need to write that query in all 100 pages. Okay, I have written it. Then after in all 100 pages, I need to write second query also. What is that? Select star from pages where page ID equal to 1. Where? In the A1 page. Where page ID equal to 2. Where? In the A2 page. Where page ID equal to 3. Where? In the page A3 page. Like that I need to write in all 100 pages also. Okay, everybody. So I have stored in the table and I am writing query to retrieve from the two tables also individually. Okay, everybody, because that is the common data. Okay, right. Then what happens? First day it will take half an hour to 1 hour time because I need to write in the 100 pages. It's okay. But in the next day, suddenly client told, no, I want to add fourth paragraph also. I want to add one more paragraph also after third paragraph. Then what is the thing we need to do? No need to change in all 100 places. No need to change in all 100 places statically. Directly we'll open the common data table. In the page description, we'll add that paragraph. Then what happens? Automatically it will affect in all 100 pages also. Automatically it will affect in all 100 pages also. So we are manipulating one place, common data table, but it is affecting all the places wherever we have used it. This is advantage. Okay. Rather than that, if you are if you want to change it statically, what happens? First day also you need to open all 100 pages. Second day also you need to open all 100 pages because you need to add one more paragraph in all 100 pages. Okay. If there are any changes, again you need to open all the pages also. Okay, everybody, that is a static functionality. So that is not suitable. That is okay. That is not make your application faster. That's why they have developed the database. It will make your application faster, and it will you can update the data faster also. And if you don't update in one place, wherever you are utilizing the data in the front end, in all the places it will be updated. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Okay.
See, I am asking each and every person. If you are silent, I will be confused. Please respond, each and everybody.
Understood, got it, sir.
Right. Others, I'm not getting your voice. Maybe you are speaking. Pradeep, Rajeshwar, I'm not getting your voice.
No, understood.
Yeah, okay, right. Then after, everybody can see the same data. For example, if you open Wikipedia, you are reading an article about Michael Jackson. You are reading from India. Okay. Somebody opening Wikipedia, he is also reading an article about Michael Jackson. He is reading from USA. Both will see the same data or different data. Both will see the same data. Why? Because they are storing the data in their database. And in that particular page, they are retrieving so that everybody can see the same data. And if anybody modifies that data, okay, we are also can able to see the updated data. Okay, everybody? Right. Then after, no need to do the same work multiple times. For example, if you open this, Myntra.com. If you open this, Myntra.com. Okay, everybody? Right. So I want to purchase this jeans. The jeans. Okay, everyone. So can you purchase these jeans directly? Respond, everybody. Can you purchase these jeans directly? Can you purchase the jeans directly? No. What is that, everybody? No. We must log in. Can you log in directly? No. We must register. What is that, everybody? We must register. We must register. So whenever you're registering, what happens? They will store your data in their database. So what is the advantage? For example, if you get this pant, after 2 days, you will get it. Okay, you like this brand, you like this pant and brand also. You want to purchase another jeans as well. You want to purchase another jeans as well. Okay, from the same brand. Then what happens? You want to order from the Myntra. Okay, we are ordering, but no need to register one more time. Already have registered the previous time, right? No need to register the second time. And if you don't log out, you need to no need to log in second time also. If you don't log out first time, no need to log in second time. Okay, everybody, right? This is the advantage. Here we are not doing the registration work multiple times, only one time. So throughout your life, you can access this application. As long as you live, okay, you can access this application without registering again. Clear it, everybody? So only one time we are registering, okay, and lifetime we are using this application. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. So we are not doing the same work multiple times. Example, registration work. Okay, so these are all the advantages of storing our data in the database. Okay, everybody, these are all the advantages. Okay, right. So this is about the database related importance. Okay, whether it may be a relational database also, or else NoSQL database also, but advantages are same. Advantages are same. Okay, the only difference is how we are maintaining our data. How we are maintaining our data. In the relational databases, we'll maintain our data in the tables format. We'll maintain our data in the tables format. In the NoSQL databases, we'll maintain our data in the collections format. In the table format data, we need to call it as records. Okay, first record, second record, third record, fourth record, like that. But in the NoSQL database, we need to call it as documents. What is that, everybody? Documents. What is that, everyone? Documents. Okay, so underscore ID, John Doe, Jane Doe, these are all the documents we need to call. So collection is equivalent to table, document is equivalent to records or rows. That's it. See, everybody insert a document they are telling. Insert a document. Insert document means that insert a record. That's it. Okay, this is this. Then after, now coming to this MongoDB. Who developed this MongoDB? So who developed this? Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz. Elliot Horowitz. Okay, right. So why they have developed? Why they have developed? So why they have developed? Why they developed MongoDB? So to access our data faster than any RDBMS databases. Okay, everybody? Right, any RDBMS database. What is that? To access our data faster than any RDBMS databases. Okay, everybody? Right. That's why they have developed this application. Okay, right. For example, they are all okay. This Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz are programmers, database programmers. Okay, where in the DoubleClick company. Okay, they were in the DoubleClick company. There is a company called DoubleClick. Then the DoubleClick company has owned by Google. Google company has purchased that company. Okay, for example, I have a company called A and some company called B is there. So as a company owner, I have purchased the B company also. In the same way, Google company has purchased that DoubleClick company. Okay, right. So whatever it may be, but whenever they are working in the DoubleClick company, this Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz, they are the database programmers. Sir, which database programmers? RDBMS database programmers. RDB databases means what? Oracle also, MySQL also. Any one of them, if you are using, you are a RDBMS programmer only. Okay, any one of them, if you are using, you are a RDBMS programmer only. So they are that are database programmers. Then what happens whenever they are programming? If it is small data like 1 crore data, 2 crore data, okay, it is working fine. But whenever it is changing to 10 crore of data, 100 crores of data, 1000 crores of data, it is not able to handle. Okay, it is not able to handle. What is that? RDBMS databases, they are not able to handle. They are getting the results very lately. They are getting the results very lately. Okay, everybody. Right. Why? Because of the performance issues. Okay, sir, how many types of performance we have? Generally, we think performance is everything is same. No, we have two types of performances: vertical performance, horizontal performance. Sir, what is horizontal performance? What is vertical performance? For example, I have a database. Adding too many tables and adding too many data in each and every table, that comes out vertically. For example, I have a building like this. After 2 years, I got another money. Then what I'm doing? I'm assigning, I'm constructing here one more floor. After 2 years, again I got so much money, and this time also I'm constructing too many floors. What is this? It's come down vertically. I'm increasing the load on this home vertically. So in the same way, if you are inserting too many records in a table, okay, if you are inserting the data in that database or any table, that is called vertical performance. That comes under vertical performance. Okay. For example, having multiple buildings is the horizontal performance. I have purchased a home. Then after 2 years, I have purchased another home. Then after I have purchased another home also. This is the horizontal performance. So for example, whenever there is huge amount of data, generally we don't store in a single database. We will split that data into two databases. First to 50%, first 1% to 50% in the database 1, 51% to 100% database 2. Still it is increased, okay, 1% to 25% database 1, 25 to 50 database 2, 50 to 75 database 3, 75 to 100 database 4, like that we will split. Okay, splitting our same data into multiple places can be called as horizontal scaling, horizontal performance. Okay, the same database, if you are increasing so much load of data, crores of data, 100 crores of data, millions of data also, sorry, crores of data, 100 crores of data, thousands crores of data, that can be called as vertical performance. So this RDB, okay, this RDB MS databases are not performing vertically, either horizontally. Either horizontally they are not satisfying, okay, or horizontal, vertically also they are not satisfying. So then what is the thing they did? So why can't we silent? Why should we be silent? Okay, they don't want to be silent. They have developed their own database by using non-SQL format. What is that? MongoDB. What is it, everybody? MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB. That means it specifies, the name specifies a large amount of data. Mongo stands for large amount of data. Okay, large amount of data. If you want to store, then we need to use this DB database. What is that database? MongoDB. Mongo stands for large amount of data. Clear it, everybody? It follows NoSQL format. Hello?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, right. Srikanth, is it clear for you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, everybody? Right. Yeah, 1 second. Sir, what are course content for MongoDB? Yeah, Devesh Anand, yesterday class also I will show. Okay. Yeah, I will show you that content also one more time. Okay. Right. So this is about the MongoDB related introduction. Okay, everybody, this is about the MongoDB related introduction. Then after how to practice with MongoDB and everything, we need to download this. Sir, how to download this MongoDB? Okay, I'm not going to download. I will show you a process. Next week onwards, we will download and we will install and we will continue. Okay, right. For example, come here, go to the google.com, MongoDB download. Type there, MongoDB download. Okay, yeah, MongoDB community server download. See it, everybody, this is what it is telling, community server. See, we can install like this, brew, install MongoDB Atlas setup. No need to have. See it, version is now 8, Windows 64 format. Package is MSI. Okay, everybody, right? MSI zip. So many things are there. Better to use MSI. Then we need to click on the download. Once you download, we need to click on next, and finally install that. Okay, everybody, right? After installing, it will go to the C drive. In my computer also it is not available. Okay, I have deleted the old one. So whenever it is installed, we need to go to the C drive. Here it will be installed. Maybe in the program files or anywhere, you'll see that. Okay, everybody. So in the next class, next week, I will show you, okay, how to download and how to practice with the MongoDB. Next week onwards, practical things. Okay, everybody. Today and yesterday and today only introduction. Okay, now coming to course content. Wait 1 second. I will show you that.
So we will be working on MongoDB Atlas or MongoDB Compass.
See, MongoDB Atlas is a cloud server. Okay, so there we can we cannot practice there. Okay, so MongoDB Compass is an IDE to practice with the MongoDB. So better than MongoDB Compass, there is Studio 3T, Robo 3T also there. So we are going to practice in the Robo 3T. First of all, I will teach you in the command prompt. Then after Robo 3T. Okay, right? In the not in the MongoDB Compass also, because it will take lot of time to to open and everything also. Okay, I will tell you Robo 3T. Okay, this is the MongoDB Atlas. Okay, this is the cloud server. Okay, we can store our data up to 512 MB free, or else if you have large amount of data for an hour, we must pay that amount of money. Then only they can store our data. Okay, that is not for the practicing purpose. That is for the real-time application purpose. Okay, right? Yes. So now see here, MongoDB notes. See how to create the database. See, I am giving the notes in the question and answer format, because whenever you are reading in question and answer format, usually you can attend the interviews also. Why? Because you are reading, you are getting the information in the form of question and answers. In the interview also, they will ask you question and answers only. Right? Easily you can able to relate. So how to create the database, creating database, then after how to delete the database, then after how to create the collection, that means table. See, to understand, I am comparing with RDBMS also. Okay, everybody, how to create a collection. Okay, right. How to delete a collection, creating and deleting, insert data, multiple data, insert multiple data at a time. Then after display all the documents, retrieving. Okay, then after comparisons, query statements like greater than, less than, LT, LTE, not equal to. Query statements are used to select particular data depends upon a condition. So whenever you apply the condition, we'll get filtered results only. That's why I told filtering. Okay, right. So filtering concept also there. To filter, we need to use find method. Okay, right. And then after AND statement will display the documents when both keys matching with the specified values. Okay, everybody, right. So 1 and 2. Then after OR statement, either this or else that one. Any one of the values is matching. Then after AND OR combination statements also. AND combination is there, OR combination also there. So combining individually also there, or else we can combine both. Okay, right. Then after projection concept is there. So I am telling so many examples for this. Okay. Then after this is it. Except a few fields, I want to get all the fields. Then after filtering commands, skip okay, under limit. If you want to skip any data, or else we want particular type of data, that is called skip and limit. Okay, for example, you want you don't want 2 records, so we need to skip it. Or else we need to get up to have 100 records, but I want to get up to 2 records. That is called limit. Skip means I have 100 records, but except 95 and 96, I want remaining data. So I need to skip 95 and 96. Okay, right, that's skip data. So this is it. And then after projections and everything is there. Then after how to retrieve middle 2 documents, see it. Everything I am telling in the interview question and answers format only. Then after backup and restore. Okay, right. How to backup and restore. How to backup the database. Okay, everybody, right? Generally MongoDB, yeah. How to MongoDB? How to backup and restore MongoDB database? How to take all the databases backup? I have 10 databases. I want to take all the databases backup. How to do that? Or else, how to restore all the database? I have taken the databases backup. Then I have forwarded my computer, and again, whatever the database I have taken backup, all the databases I want to restore. Then how to restore this? Why will take the backup? Because in order to restore only. Then after how to restore that? Okay, right. How to take only one database backup and how to restore that? Then after how to take single collection backup and how to restore that? Then after aggregation concepts. Okay, there are so many examples also, aggregation related things. That related notes also available. Aggregation only. Okay, see it, aggregate only. Aggregate. See it. Okay, everybody, right. Then after distinct age count, see this also I am applying aggregate. Then after project in MongoDB, so projection is different, project is different. Aggregate is there. See, so many examples are for aggregate because that is important. And indexing in the MongoDB indexes also. So how to delete an index also. Then how to get query related information. Then after see it, lookups, joins. How to retrieve data from 2 tables depends upon the matching fields. Lookup from housings, local field, foreign field zip code, yes, matched results. This is customers. I am looking in the housings. Okay, everybody, right? That's it. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everybody. This is the content. Okay, everyone, right? So hope I have cleared all your doubts also. Okay, right? So next week we'll meet and we'll continue our batches. Okay, yeah, thank you very much.
Just a second, sir. When it comes to this one, right? So, how are we going to connect it to Hadoop? I mean, will there be any other connections? Can you just show me that?
Here, no. This is purely MongoDB. Okay, so if you want, I can show you how to connect with Node.js, that related code I will explain, but I'm not aware of Hadoop or anything. Okay, Srikant.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the data analyst part of it, right, sir? So if some Power BI or something has to be connected, some reporting tool, are they going to connect it directly to MongoDB or is there any other way there?
See, this is purely MongoDB. I'm not aware of that Power BS or anything. Okay, Srikant. Okay, I'm not able to guide you that on that. So this only depends upon only MongoDB. I'm teaching MongoDB to learn MongoDB individually. So how we are going to work with Power BI or else any other big
No,
database?
I'm not asking you with the Power BI. I'm just asking, is there any provision where we are going to connect it directly to MongoDB, sir?
Yeah, definitely. If you want to connect to this MongoDB, we need to take a language help. For example, okay, with the Java help or else Node.js help, then only we are able to connect with this MongoDB. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll meet on next week and we'll continue. Right. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.